Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. What's up, everyone? Whatever time you're watching this video. So, this will be our first discussion in web systems and technologies. Is that the subject? I think that's it. Anyway, so yeah, welcome to our class. And for this class, basically, we're going to learn how to create web pages, how to create dynamic and stunning, of course, web pages. Okay, so before we begin with the technical parts of the discussion, we need to know first what is the base information with creating web pages. So I actually uploaded this part in your LMS. So I hope you have already read this one. So let's just go here. So the first thing that we're going to discuss in this class is HTML. So what is HTML? HTML is stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard markup language used for web pages. Uh, and it was founded and created by the World Wide Web Consortium or W3C. It is used to describe web pages and it contains elements and tags which will be discussed later. So HTML documents are also called web pages. The file extension for HTML files or HTML pages or documents is .html. So just a clarification, HTML is not a programming language. It is a markup language for websites or for web pages. So basically, we're not programming in this class. Wink, wink. Hindi, totoo. We're not going to program in this class. Okay. So, there are two terms that are being explained here. So first is you have the HTML elements and they have the HTML tags. It's so hard to speak. May singaw yung dila ko. Anyway, uh, so HTML elements are the building blocks of an HTML document. Everything that is being created in HTML, it has this what we call HTML tags na tinatawag natin. So, a tag can be identified by a text with a less than symbol followed by the tag label and ends with greater than symbol. Okay, so basically, as I said, di ba nga, the elements of HTML like paragraph, text, bold, italic, underline. We're going to see those later. It has its own tag. So the tag should always have a starting and end tag. So what am I talking about? So here you can see my screen. Charot. This one. This is our example last time. So you can see I'm using Visual Studio VS Code. This is a very handy IDE for web developers. So I'm just going to clear this. Okay, so for the sake of those who are not around last time, just create a folder outside. Any folder that you, any directory you want, any folder you want, and then just open your folder here as a workspace. So in this case, I have this project right here. Then select folder. Then it will show the insides of the project. So if you have an empty folder, basically walang laman yan. It has nothing here. So what we're going to do is to click this one. Then we're going to add a new file. So let's just say hello.html. Then automatically it will create an HTML file with this one. So if you have this one here, you can see that when you're going to type, it will show the IntelliSense or it will show IntelliSense where you can have like a support for your HTML creation. Anyway, you can actually create an HTML files using Notepad, Notepad++, or whatever text editor that you want. But I just prefer VS Code because of the intelligence. Anyway, so we're talking about HTML tags. So HTML tags looks like this. You have HTML right here. It has a starting and ending tag. So this is a start tag, and the end tag has this backslash right here. So this is the structure of the HTML file. So you have the head, and then you have the body. Sorry. Mali. So you have the body. Okay, so you can see here, already have your structure, head and body. So this is just a coding guidelines or a coding guide or coding convention that each tag or element should be indented in order to see the hierarchy of the files. But it doesn't affect any the appearance of the web page whatsoever. Just like to see it clean. Okay? Okay. So here goes. So inside the head, this part right here is not seen on your web page part. So it is not, you cannot see this in your Chrome or on the bot. Yun nga, yung the things that you see inside the web page. But this is the header of your of your web page. So let's just put head here. Then, sorry, that's already head. We put the title of the girl. Put the title of the web page, and then let's just say, hello world. Okay. So if we're going to save this and we're going to run, so just press F5 and then choose your, yep. So as you can see here, we don't have anything inside yet, but we have here, dito sa taas, we have hello world right here. So if you right click this one and you put page source, it will show our HTML tag a while ago. So this one. This is the same with what we did in this one. Diba? Amazing! Yay! Anyway, yeah, there. So let's put something inside. Ooh. Inside our body. Oh! Okay, so inside our bodies, just type random stuff. Hello, hot dog. Hello, world. Hello, world. I am. I live in. And I am. So as you can see here, guys, we have this content inside our body. So let's just see if how does it look when we run this one. So you can see here that it didn't follow the enter part because it just yeah, HTML cannot understand the next line. Just like when you're programming in Java or whatever programming language that you prefer, when you're printing stuff, it will not automatically go to the next line. So in this example right here, as you can see, it doesn't have the next line. Hindi niya nakuha kumbaga. Okay, so next one. So how do you do that? So you have, okay, I'm just going to look at my código for a while. Wait lang. So you have your HTML reference. This is already uploaded in your LMS, so you may check this one out as well. So where is that, ma'am? It is right here, yeah. So when you open this one, these are the elements, HTML elements, and this is the format. So as I was saying a while ago, this is the HTML tag, the one inside the like this, yeah. You okay, so this is bold or B, and then in our example a while ago, the tags are here: HTML, the head, the title, and also head. Oh my god, just close this one. Okay. Then you have the body as well here. Okay, so where's that? Okay. So the HTML element has a basic pattern like this one. So you have the tag name, the bold tag. You have the opening, which is letter B, and then you have the closing tag right here. So you have the paragraph tag. So this is the you have P here. Then these are the attributes as we're going to discuss more later. And then this is the element content, and then this is the code closing tag. And then you have the line break. In order to have it next line, you have to put break here. So this is like the combination of starting and ending tag because it doesn't have an element content. Therefore, you can just use this format right here. So yeah, the paragraph tag has a style. This is what we call, as I said a while ago, attribute tag. So you can integrate CSS there or just plain HTML as well. Okay, so you have, these are the list of attributes. It's everything. It's in here. Okay, so these are the standard class ID, style, or title. And then you have this one. Then these are like technical keyboard stuff that you don't use for a while. These are for JavaScript integration. Okay, form events, blah, 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 image, blah, blah, blah. Just you can look for this one on your files. So this is what we have done a while ago. You have the head and the body. So HTML is the core of the document tag, then head and the body. So this declaration here is for HTML4, but you're actually using HTML5 right now. Malamang, that's more updated, di ba? So you don't have to declare this one anymore, but it's good knowledge anyway. Okay, so the document head, HTML head section, it has a title tag right here. And then you have the link tag right here. It is used to establish as an external CSS file. This will be discussed more on the later parts of the course. Okay, so next is we have comments. This is how to write your HTML comments right here. And then, yeah, so let's try. So inside our body, just delete this one. And then let's input a comment. Ha, dug. Okay. This is the start of something new. This is the start of the HTML file. Okay, just put it like that. Okay, then press enter. So that's the comment. I saved it. Since it's a comment, it will not show anything right here. But if we click on, hey, tagal mo mag-respond. Okay. Are you using, this is Chrome, really? So if you put page source, you can actually see the comment right here. Okay. So, going back into my arms. Okay. Then next is we're going to have the headers. So this for HTML you have H1 to H6, H1 being the biggest and H6 being the smallest header. So let's try H1, then hello, then you have maybe use H2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's just change this into H2. Ganyan. Yan, yan, yarn. then H3, then we have H4, okay, you have H5. Hindi pa ako nakaka-grind ng axi, ha? Sorry. I have H6, H, yes, MR. Okay, if we're going to run this one, okay. As you can see here, it's bigger to biggest to the smallest one. This is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Going to sleep. The page source you have, okay, H1 to H6, right here. Okay, so that's for the headers. You can just use anything that you wish to use. Okay. So you have the line tags, paragraph tags, horizontal line if you want to. You just try to use everything in here. I already uploaded this one, so you might as well check it out. So and we have the list here. How to add an image. Actually, dito na siya lahat. Okay, so I will be giving you your first activity at the LMS. LMS, yo. Then, can integrate everything there. So this is like the tables and the links. This is for future discussions pa naman. Okay, so for the activity, I think it is until the formatting, text formatting part lang. So if you have questions, suggest comments, suggestions, violent reactions, feel free to chat me at our Discord server. So I will be uploading the activities for the week. Yeah. Okay, that will be all. Bye, Shao. Okay. 3, 2,